Hi everyone, it's Dr. Dana McGrady here. I'm coming to you this week to tell you my story and how I fell madly in love with holistic medicine. So I started college at a really young age 14. I skipped high school and started going 3 days a week to a community college in order to surf, right? I wanted to surf. I lived on the ocean, fell in love with it. And as I was going through college, I was like, what am I going to do with my life, right? So I started going for pre-law, thinking, who knows why? But as I started doing that, it really wasn't a passion for me. I started being drawn towards integrative health, integrative medicine. So I told my dad, who was a famous holistic doctor, medical doctor turned holistic, that I wanted to go to medical school. And he said, why would you go to medical school? If you go to medical school, you're gonna learn about pharmaceuticals. And he said, why don't you go to an integrative college? So I found the Florida College of Integrative Medicine in Orlando, decided to go there. And that's really where my love for holistic medicine and preventative medicine grew. I grew up around it. I was in a very organic family. But honestly, I tell all of my patients this, my greatest teachers have always been my patients. I learned a lot in school, how the body works and prevention of disease, but in all reality, I learned way more with you guys, my patients. And so I started my clinic 20 years ago this September. 20 years ago, my first clinic I opened in Melbourne, Florida. About 14 years ago, I moved over to the Tampa Bay area and started my West Coast clinic. And so I've been able to help patients on both coasts with gut health, hormone health, autoimmune, Lyme disease, cancer, nutrition, you name it. Okay, so I've been seeing patients of all types, animals sometimes, kids, babies, and it's been so fulfilling and so rewarding. But a lot of people don't know how I came to do this. So my father was a medical doctor that back in the 80s, he started realizing that drugs and chemicals might not be the answer for most people. So he started having a love for helping people with nutrition, with homeopathy, with herbs, with IV therapy. And so that's really where his love kind of inspired me to learn more. And as I learned more and more and more and realized that our bodies are meant to clean out the bad, nourish the good, and encourage the natural healing process. And so I believe that this career is the most fulfilling. There are a lot of really great things in the works for my patients, for my clinic this year. So you guys need to stay tuned for that. But stick with me for all of your holistic needs. I'm always growing. I'm always learning. I'm madly in love with my patients and with helping everyone to get to their best healing state. So thank you sincerely for being a patient of mine or being in my circle. And I'm really, really excited to help you for all of your holistic needs going forward. Have an awesome day, guys. Bye-bye.